Hey, this is David Kavanaugh. It's been a little while. It's been quite a while. Finally getting back to my BSA. I was watching some videos that seemed pretty helpful from, I don't know, is it SRM? I know they make the replacement oil pumps and a number of other things, but it was a very useful set of videos for just assembling the engine on this bike. So I've taken off the exhaust. It looks like I knew the shorty mufflers that came on the bike were going to have to go, but I believe that the downpipes are in good shape. Hopefully they'll clean up pretty well. I've unbolted at least them all carburetors. I was trying to figure out what to do with the cables now. I know maybe somebody has some helpful tips. I assumed I might have to disconnect everything up on this end, because it's this and the choke basically, and then there's the whole there's that adapter here that converts the single choke cable into two. Not sure why that was never done on the throttle cables, but anyway, it's kind of funny. So, starting to dig into it, trying to get it ready to get the engine out of the frame, just by taking off some accessories. I'll probably get the horn out of there, and I don't know, I'm not sure what else to strip out of here. Probably the coils. I need to take off the sump cover and probably drain the sump. That'll save a little bit of weight. I bet you it's wet sumped, so I'll have to get that cleaned out. But yeah, bit by bit, making some progress. Alright, so we're back in action here, and I'd really love to get this running for the fall, but I'm not gonna count my chickens before they're hatched.